welcome to JermaineAuNatural. I am Jermaine Ryan, and I'm bringing you kind of a short, sweet video this evening. So if not the last video, but a video or two, maybe 3 ago, or 4, depending on when this comes out, I posted about hair care 101, caring for black men's hair, also moisture retention. One of the things that I mentioned as the pro tips was caring for your hair at night and how to maintain moisture at night. So I mentioned in there that you definitely want to wrap your hair in either, depending on the length of your hair, either a do-rag, a bonnet, or a scarf, or using a satin pillowcase, or any of those head dressings and the satin pillowcase, depending on how you sleep, because you know some folks be tossing and turning. So I wanted to do a short video of my nighttime routine. So my hair is not long. It's kind of a medium, because you know, shrinkage. You know, the hair is healthy, but you know, shrinkage. With the length of my hair, I'm not able to do the traditional pineapple where, you know, you can throw your hair forward and people will put it in, you know, a rubber, like a hair tie or something like that to hold the pineapple up and then they wrap it. Yeah, I don't have that. I don't have that type of length to do that. My hair literally sits as an afro, a curly afro. But I do have a method that I use. It is my version of pineapple. I think it's still a pineapple, where I kind of do the same thing, where I do throw my hair as much as forward as medium my hair will go, and then do my scarf. Now, because this hair is old, to note, just, you know, asterisk, just to note, this is, I'm showing you this for this video, but the way this hair has been set up and the fact that I've been doing stuff around the house, I am definitely doing a bonnet tonight, but I just want to show what my scarf routine looks like. Now, it depends on how my hair is done and what I want my hair to look like. So at this point, you know, I would typically after my like day 4 to 5, I am normally at that point going for more volume. My definition is really nice the first few days, but then I'm like, okay, I want the definition, but I definitely want more volume. So in those instances, that's where I will then throw on my bonnet. And the reason being that I throw on my bonnet when I want more volume is because my hair is free inside of here. So the fact that it's satin is going to help retain the moisture. But as I move around through the night, my hair is going to shift around also. So it's just going to give it that little bit more fluffiness and puffiness that I would be looking for when I want more volume. Now, if this was the first day or first night of my wash and go, even day 2, day 3, even day 4, depending on how good the wash and go is. Sometimes I do my scarf the whole week, but always, at least for the first 2 to 3 days, I always do a scarf. So I have my scarf pre-laid out because that's how I normally do it. Let's move you to the side of the bed and show you how I do my hair. All right, now that I have readjusted and brought you on the side of the bed, and it just varies on what side of the bed that I may do it on. So I set it on this side, so this is where I'm doing it. So typically what I will do, scarf is laid out on the bed, already folded in half into a triangle. And I got this scarf from Amazon. So what I do, this is just how my brain works because this is what I think happens when I do this. So I start, y'all know I shake my hair, right? So I shake my hair from here and then I lean over so that as it's shaking, it's kind of shifting downward. So this, let me just show you. So, am I still in the camera shot? Kind of yes, kind of no. So once I get to here, I push my hair forward like so. Just push it forward. And then I take my scarf, grab it, and tie it like so. Double knot it in the back. Pull the front up so that mainly my sides and definitely the back is secure. So I'm not sure if I did that too fast, but once I grab the scarf and pull it forward, I then take the two long pieces, cross them, pull them, and then wrap it back around the back, and then do a double knot back there in the back to hold it in place. Oof. And adjust the ears, because this is going to be fun. Hold on, let me move in closer. A little bit closer. So this is typically how I would wear my hair day 1, day 2, day 3, and if my wash and go is really popping, for the whole week, just to preserve the curls, this is typically how I will wear my hair at night. I'm a pretty steady sleeper. I don't move around too much. So I don't always use my satin pillowcase. I've got the regular pillowcase there. So that's what I'm going to sleep on. But like I said, I'm not a really rough sleeper. I don't move around a lot. So this is good enough for me. This is going to stay on all night. Now watch I say that, and then watch tonight be the night that it actually comes off, like the first time that it comes off. Watch, because I said that. Hopefully though, because I'm saying this, then that cancels that out. We'll see. If it comes out tonight, then you'll be getting like, a hey at me, so this is what happened additional video to this one. So that is my nighttime hair routine with my bonnet and my scarf. Like I said, depending on what my hair is doing, what day it is from my wash and go, and how I want my hair to look. Are we holding on to definition? Are we trying to go for more volume? Comment down below. Let me know what your nighttime routine is. If you feel like someone can use this, please share this video. Make sure you like. Make sure you subscribe. Punch the notification bell so that you can stay abreast of when I post my videos. And once again, thank you for tuning into JermaineAuNatural.